if you recall, when I first started this engine up, there was a knocking noise, a bit of a tapping, rattling type noise, and I thought it was the bearing on the AC pump. Well, it wasn't. What was happening was the drive. This is the front of the AC pump. This is part of the clutch mechanism, and it was all locked up. So the pump was actually turning. The noise was coming through one of the hoses. It was a real sort of strange one. I've never heard it before. So I took the pulley off, took it off completely, and it's quite easy. They just pull off. You know, there's only a centre bolt through here, and then they just pull off. And spun the bearing. The bearing's fine, but when I put it back on again, it was all locked up. That means these little shims here were missing. Inside here, you put those shims and you push. There's the shaft, and it pushes it in and out. And so it looked like it'd been off before, and it had locked up. I don't know why they did it like that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try it with one shim, because I took this off another engine, and like I said, there was no shims at all in it. So I took this off this engine. I'm not sure what the distance is, but oh no, wait a minute, there's 3 shims, look. Whoa, I didn't see that, look, there's actually 3. So I'm going to put all those shims back in here, like that, somehow, get in, sit down, get down, chef, and then let's see how it works out. I hope it fixes it. Right, I'm not sure if this is going to work, because I can't see the screen. I've bolted it back on, and I've put the original shims that came with this pulley together, and I've just put a little jump light wires going from the connector there straight to the battery, so you might be able to see it working. Can you see it? Now, the thing is, this AC system's empty, it's got no fluid in it, so it's got nothing to pressurise it with. So let's start it up and see what it does. See, it's running free now. Wait a minute, I've got my wire tangled up. Now you can hear the compressor working. So it got rid of that noise, eh? Now, the thing is, once we've got the system charged up and pressurised, we can then easily take a shim out if that clutch slips. I think it's about 1/4,000th of an inch clearance. I'm not sure. But we have shims now that we can take out, so that's good. So it's eliminated that awful noise.